Kia ora guys and welcome to another flip video session. Today we are learning to subtract tenths. Let's get into it. Place value. What is it? Well, every place value column is really important. All of us know about the ones column, the tens column, the hundreds column and so on. However, we're going to start introducing decimals. To the right hand side of the ones column, there's the ones column, to the right of that, we're going to introduce something called the decimal point. Okay. And anything to the right of the decimal point means we're dealing with numbers that are smaller than one whole. So in this example, there's an 8 in the tenths column. The tenths column is really, really tricky to get your head around, but once you get your head around it, it's easy peasy. So, the total number there on screen is 24.8. We could read that as 2 groups of 10, 4 groups of 1, and 8 tenths. But what is a tenth? Well, what you need to know. One whole is actually made up of 10 tenths. A tenth can be written like this, 1 over 10 or 0.1. Both those represent 1/10 of a whole. Now, imagine a whole being split up into 10 equal parts. A tenth is one of those equal parts. And down the bottom here, you can see I've got a number line going from 0 all the way to 1 whole, or 1 and 0 tenths. So let's start to the left-hand side, 0. Then we have 1/10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths. And if we add another tenth up onto that, or if we count up in tenths, after 9 tenths you get 1 whole, because 10 tenths makes 1 whole. Alright, now you have that knowledge, let's look at subtracting tenths. Subtracting tenths, 1.4 take away 0.6, or 1 whole, and 4 tenths take away 6 tenths. What do? You draw a number line, guys. Step 1, draw a number line. On the right hand side there, you write 1.4. And then you make bounds going backwards, taking away the tenths. So I'm going to make tidy numbers because that's a really easy strategy. I'm going to go 1.4 take away 4 tenths. That gets me to 1 whole. And I need to take 6 tenths away in total. So I've taken 4 tenths away, I need to take 2 more tenths away. So I go 1 whole take away 0.2 or 2 tenths, and that gets me to 8 tenths or 0.8. So I've used a number line and I've made tidy numbers with my jumps. A trickier question. 13.5 take away 5.8. Again, on the right hand side of the number line, I've written 13.5 and I'm going to make jumps along the number line until I've taken away 5 wholes and 8 tenths. So first thing I do, 13.5, I'm going to take away 3 wholes. So 13.5 take away 3 gives me 10.5. So I'm going to take my whole numbers away first. Then I'm going to take away another 2 wholes. So 10.5 take away 2 equals 8.5. So I've taken 5 whole numbers away. Now I need to take away my tenths. So 8.5 or 8 wholes and 5 tenths take away 5 tenths gets me to 8. So I've taken away 5 tenths and I need to take away 8 tenths in total. So I've got 3 more tenths to take away. So 8 wholes take away 3 tenths equals 7.7. So 13.5 take away 5.8 equals 7.7. Even harder example. 45.6 take away 17.9. Again, on the right hand side of the number line, write down 45.6. And I've done that. And I'm going to, again, make tidy jumps on my number line. So I need to take away 17 whole numbers first. So I'm going to go 45.6 take away 15. That gets me to a nice number to work with, which is 30.6. Remember at the start, you want to deal with whole numbers. So 45.6 take away 15 equals 30.6. I need to take 2 more whole numbers away to take away the 17 I need to. So 30.6 take away 2 is 28.6. Cool, I've taken away my 17. Now I need to focus on my decimals, or the tenths I need to remove, and I need to take away 9 tenths in total. First thing I'm going to do is get it to a tidy number. So I'm going to go 28.6 take away 0.6 or 6 tenths will get me to 28. So I've taken the 6 away, I need to take 3 more away to take 9 tenths away in total. So 28 take away 3 more tenths, or 0.3, gets me to 27.7. So 45.6 take away 17.9 equals 27.7. Alright guys, hopefully those examples helped you. Remember, put it all on a number line, take away your whole numbers first, making nice tidy jumps on your number line, and then take away your decimals or your tenths. Ka pai.